Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add an app to your homepage of your Samsung Smart TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add Peacock or Paramount Plus or HBO Max to the center row of items that you see right over here. How do you actually go ahead and add them in? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but what we're first going to do is that we're going to scroll to the left until we reach the App Store here. So you're going to click on the App Store. Next, you're going to find the app that you want to go ahead and add to your home page. So what we're looking for is that we're going to use Paramount Plus, and then select Paramount Plus, and then from here you're going to click on Add to Home. So now Paramount Plus has been added to your home page. Now the way that you could actually do it is that if you want to go ahead and put Paramount Plus more towards the front, you can most certainly do that by dragging to the left and right. So we'll put Paramount Plus as the third icon option right over here. If you want to go ahead and move Paramount Plus, what you just got to do is that you have to highlight Paramount Plus, click and hold the center clicker button, and then wait until the drop down menu appears. Click on Move, and then you can go ahead and move it around again. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add apps to the homepage of your Samsung Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.